It is not, it is unprecedented about the questions that is asked in GATE. So anything could be asked. So, but for the sake of the revision, just we are going through the first chapter in a very light note. That is the drawing tools and materials, that architectural tools and materials that required, how it is different from the engineering branches, and the tools that is required in the architectural drafting and graphics. So uh, we will start with the drawing pencils. The first tool is the drawing pencil, lead holder pencil, mechanical pencil, and wood encased pencil. Generally, the students use in the first year, second year, currently in the academic. So it should be discussed here. So the first tool is the drawing pencils, lead holder pencils. You know what is lead holder pencil? Lead holder pencil employ standard 2 mm leads. Here you can see the in the picture the lead holder pencil. The push button action of a clutch mechanism allows exposed length of a lead shaft to be adjusted or withdrawn when pencil is not in use. This pencil can be used in means used for drawing the various variety of line weights and must kept well sharp with a lead pointer. Next is the mechanical pens. These pencils comes in mechanical pencils use 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm, 0.7 mm, and 0.9 mm leads. So various types of leads are available, various thickness for the various thickness. A push button mechanism advances the lead automatically through metal sleeves. The relatively thin lead of the mechanical pencils do not require sharpening. As we know, many of you have used and many must be using now also for rough sketch and some corrections in the drawing like this. So, point 0.3 pencils and very fine lines, 0.5 pencils, the most practical for general drawing purposes it is used. 0.7 and 0.9 pencils useful for sketching and writing. Uh, these pencils should be avoided to use to produce heavy line weights because it breaks. It breaks and also may damage the pencil also, mechanical pencil. Third is that the general pencils we use in that wood encased pencils. It should be it is used for drafting. The wood must be saved back to expose 3 by 4 inch of the lead shaft. Roughly, it can be sharpened with the sandpaper or the sharpener or the lead pointer. Even that blade or cutter are used for this. Now the graphite, now the leads we will discuss. What are the types of leads? Leads means that you see that generally uh, graphite lead is used. So various grades of graphite leads for drawing on paper surfaces. It ranges from 9H, means extremely hard, to 6B. Everyone are aware of this, but just for a reminder, given equal hand pressure, the harder lead produce lighter lines and the softer lead produce the means thicker line, denser, wider lines. Next is the non-photo blue leads. These pencils, about this drawing leads, I think many people don't know because we know that few many of us have not used, and many places it is being used. So non-photo good leads are used for the construction lines. Basically, it is used in that arts also, where we have a lot of we have to make a lot of rough sketch, and then we have to delete or we have to erase that rough part, and we have to keep some fine portions. Then this pencil is being used. Uh, uh, this pencils, this blue lid has a special feature that in the photocopier you can't. Does not give impression. So first it is a rough sketch is made, and the required that drawing is highlighted, and it is photocopied, and we get the this blue light. um, this blue lid uh, doesn't show in the Xerox, but digital scanner can detect these blue lines. So in the digital, when we are scanning with the digital scanner, we have to remove this image or the blue lines by image editing softwares, Photoshop or anything, other things. Next is the plastic lids, specially formulated. This very few have used plastic polymer lids, because nowadays we are using very less. Manually, we are using less, and the manual activities are less. In our time, it was like in second year, more than second year, many of the students were using the manual drafting. So these plastic lids comes in E naught, N naught, or P naught to E5 and 5, or P5. Means E naught, N naught, and P naught are soft, and E5 and 5 or P5 are hard pencils. Later E and P are the manufacturer designations. But you have to remember that 0 means soft, and 5 means hard. Uh, the number 0 to 32 hardness that is mentioned here. Now it is a technical pencils. Technical pens are capable of producing precise consistency. Means generally we used to make like fair drawing. So mechanical pencils are used even in the that currently in the NASA, when we send the sheets, students send the sheets in the NASA, it is mechanical technical pens are used. So you must be knowing the Rotring, other thing. Rotring is the brand basically. So, but actually it is called the technical pens. Uh, various it comes in various that range of points, like point 0.5, point 0.3 for various type of uses, from thick to thin. Here it is mentioned. It is extremely fine. It is 0.13 to very wide to 2 mm. So a starting pen set should include 4 standard line width, 0.25, 0.35, and zero point 0.5, and 0.70 mm, and it can be used accordingly. So here you can see 0.25, 0.35, 0.50, and 0.70. Next one is the T squares. Here on the left side, you can see that how it is used, T squares, or how it is kept on the drawing board. Drawing board is also one requirement, but we had considered that you must be able to know. T square are relatively low in cost and portable, but require a straight and a true edge against which means we have done, everyone have must have done that manual drafting in the T squares and how it is used. Next is it is the T squares are available in 18 inch, 24 inch, 30 inch, 36 inch, 42 inch, 48 various lengths from 40. We generally use 48-inch length T square. Proper drawing table arrangement is also required. You must know and how it is was and just is it's a uh, recall of the that instrument that what we have done in the first year. Next is the parallel rules or parallel bars. Parallel rules are equipped with a system of cable and pulleys. We must be knowing how to that wind it on the table and it slides over that wire and means, you can draw the parallel lines over it. So with the parallel bar and T square, set square, further we will see the what is set square. We used to draw the vertical lines, angular lines that you can recall. It comes in for 42-inch to 48-inch length is recommended. Even comes in 60-inch various. Uh, it is that material is transparent and acrylic edges are recommended for better visibility. Next is it called the triangles or the set squares. But triangles are drafting aids used to guide the drawing of vertical lines and lines at specified angles, means 30 degree, 45 degree. Further, we can draw also the we can like 30, 60, 30, 45, uh, 75-degree line we can construct or such that 15-degree lines we can draw with use of that. That depends on the practice. When we start practicing, you are able to draw the various angles, angular lines. Smaller that triangles are used in hatching, and bigger triangles are used in making the perspectives. Next is the adjustable triangles or the adjustable set squares. Just I think you may be happy by seeing this set squares on your screen that you have used in you are using in the your drafting classroom, first year, second year, and first year, second year are quite memorable moments. So you can see that the adjustable triangles, how you were using various angles in the adjustable. It is a little bit easier to draw with the adjustable angles, and that you will be able to draw various angles through it. Vertical along with 90 degree, 45, 25, all the angles you can draw. That is the with a single triangle. Okay, next is the compass. Compass is essential for drawing large circles as well as a circle of indeterminate radii. It is difficult to uh, apply pressure when using a compass. Using too hard grade of lead can therefore result in too light of a line. A softer grade of lead sharpened with chisel point, which usually produces surface lines of undue pressure. So compass you have been used. So just it's a again it's a recall that what it is a compass. The rationale of putting all these drawing tools in front of you and the material so that there is it is not means sure that they will not or the uh, question setter will not ask any question from it. They can ask any question. They can ask question out of it. So once just you can have an overview. Next is the French curves. A variety of French cups are available in the market. So you can see the various, it is used for drawing the curves, draw, drawing the curves with the series of points, uh, basically curve lines, what we were using in the drafting. It is what's used. Next is the protector for measuring the angles. Next is the templates, architectural templates. We were using for drafting. It comes in various scales, series, and various metric sizes are available. So particular template we used to take and directly we used to draft it in the sheets. Next is the eraser. Vinyl or PVC plastic erasers are frequently used in drafting. Liquid erasing fluid removes pencils and ink marking from the drafting. Even in the pen, ink marking can be removed by the liquid erasing fluids. Electric eraser is that new thing that means it is battery operated and that is used in removing the